the workflow for the 3 trees. Remember when we did git add and then a dot? If all we made changes to was just one file, we could have done git add, and actually we did only make changes to one file. So we could have said git add file _1.html. When a dot is used instead of a file name, it causes all the files that were changed to be added to the staging area. All the files in the current directory. There are ways of specifying sets of files or files in other directories and stuff, but I'm not going to get into that right now. Okay, here's the working directory. Now let's say we made more changes to that file _1.html. Now that means that the version of the file right now is different from the version that was committed before. Okay, so to commit this new version, we would first add it the way that I just mentioned, git add and then the file name. That would add it to the staging area index. Then we would do git commit, and that would move all these changes to the repository. So as you can see, now the repository has the old commit with its ID with the changes that were part of that one. And then the changes we just made, v2, those have also been added to the repository. And there's one other thing I haven't talked about yet, is that this head is pointing to the master branch. So all these changes are going to the master branch. The master is like a pointer which points to a particular commit in the repository. If we had a testing or a production branch, that would be just a pointer pointing to a different commit somewhere in this structure. But the head is right now pointing to master, so anytime we make a commit, it will go to the master. It will just, if we make another commit, it'll go right here, and then master will be pointing to that one. Just remember, every commit has a commit ID, and that commit ends up somewhere in the structure of the repository. Now, which branch pointer is pointing to it, and where the head is pointing to, that's a topic for a different video.